All right, I just arrived and the guys have been gracious enough to take a wire tracker, find where they can no longer continue. They dug down and carefully removed this pipe to show you guys. I just literally washed it off with a garden hose so you can see it. So this is what collapsed pipe looks like. This is some collapsed pipe. You can see that it's very, very weak. Very, very thin. I could just push my finger. Now this is what it looks like. Now this is a solid piece. Their downspout system was collapsed too. So the guys removed this for me to show me. They wire tracked it to where it was collapsed. So we don't ever see that with the Boffman tile. Boffman has a design where it's square on the exterior. That's to give it superior strength above and beyond anybody else in the corrugated pipe market. Now they went ahead and they ran the 8-slot high octane. Look at that. That's crazy. So they knew to open a pipe up that much that they really needed to make a strong, heavy walled pipe, which they have, and that's what they have done. Square on the outside for strength. You can see how it's rounded on the inside. That is an engineered design. When the water is, it's initially is slowed down by this. It's not like smooth wall PVC because you're not going to get the turbulence out of smooth wall PVC. So smooth wall PVC loads up with trash and garbage and debris where this pipe does not. So we usually do this in a burrito wrap, but a lot of times we get dirty stone and we got to wash the dirt out. You know, the first few real good storms will take care of that. But what's nice is even if you had the Boffman Gold and the solid pipe, if any shingle gravel gets caught in it, this is designed to kind of slow the water down initially so that it kind of like builds up, and then more water creates more pounds per square inch, which moves all kinds of debris, as well as the turbulence that is caused by these rounded shapes inside the Boffman tile. So, and then a lot of people ask me, why do they call it Boffman tile? It's pipe. Okay, guys, years ago, Boffman made that terracotta pipe out of clay. And, you know, just not only just to stay with tradition, I mean, that's just how the farmers have called it, tiling the fields from, you know, the day the first tile was made. And again, the first tile was like a terracotta tile cooked in a kiln. So that's why they call it tile. I realize it's corrugated pipe. All right, guys, enough of the history lesson and all that good stuff. I'm going to get back to work, help the guys out. But, yeah, a superior product versus, oh, I'm going to hire the handyman, or I'm going to go cheap and buy my pipe at Home Depot. All right, guys, I don't know what more I can do. Just keep showing you why we do what we do and why we use the quality pipes that we use.